Hello and welcome to Yoga with Glenn. I'm Glenn. Today I have a quick meditation for you. Hopefully you get something out of it. Hopefully you enjoy it. Please find a comfortable seat somewhere quiet, preferably in your home or wherever you are. And let's get started. To begin our meditation today, settle into your space. Wherever you are, find a comfy seat. It's okay if there's noise going on around you. It's just life passing you by. First, let all the air out of your lungs with an exhale. Fill your lungs completely, starting from the belly. And exhale, forcing all of the air out, letting go of tension whenever you do so. Another breath in, another breath out. Take some time, really breathe in intentionally. And each time you exhale, release the tension. Now allow your breath to run wild as you focus in on your seat, where your body meets the earth. Notice the weight of your body against whatever you're sitting on. Start to notice your feet. Start to notice your ankles, the knees, the hips. Notice the sensations in these areas. As you relax your eyes closed, notice the rise and fall of your belly and chest as you inhale and exhale. And begin to notice how you're holding your head up, your shoulders, your face. If there's any tension where there doesn't need to be tension, just begin to slowly release that. Now turn the attention to your breath. Notice as you inhale through the nose or through the mouth. Feel the cool air as it passes into your nostrils. Really be aware as you exhale, feel the warmth of the air. Feel it pass by, whatever it passes by. Feel a warmth and a glowing light. Maybe starting from the middle of the chest. Each time you inhale, this light grows bigger. And as you exhale, imagine this light, this glow, spreading over your entire body. As you continue to inhale and exhale, eventually the light covers your entire body, bringing a warmth, bringing peace, bringing a calm. Let the light cover you completely. Take a moment of gratitude for yourself, for your body. Thank yourself for taking this time to nurture the body and mind. Start to bring awareness back to your surroundings and back to your body. Move the fingers, move the toes, And when you're ready, relax the eyes open. And inhale and exhale. It's good to just take a moment, just time for yourself, time to just relax, slow things down. Really hope you enjoyed this meditation. I hope it helped do just that for you. Let's take one last breath to close out this practice. With an inhale, circle the arms up. And exhale, bring the hands down to heart center. The light in me sees the light in you. Namaste.